welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the famous blue eye look that I've been seeing on Instagram and Twitter, all everywhere. So the first thing that I'm going to do to prep my skin is moisturize, and then I'm going to put this setting powder on Laura Mercier to set my face. This was actually a technique that I saw on TikTok, and I was like, oh girl, let me try this. And my makeup actually came out so cute and seamless. But yeah, basically I just put moisturizer on, and then I just put this powder on my face, and you will see the results. Baby, you're gonna see the results. So after, this is the foundation that I used from Makeup Revolution, and then I just took my time and put my foundation on. I didn't want to use too much of this color because it's kind of orange, so I just used a little bit at a time and took my time and built it up. And I actually like the coverage and how it makes me look. It kind of like gives me that darker look that I like, but not too dark. So I really like this foundation in this shade. I think it was 13 something. So after blending that foundation, I went ahead and used their concealer also, and I just put a little bit of that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my forehead, pubic bow, and my chin. And then I just blend that out with my beauty blender. And honestly, this morning I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna do my makeup. Like, I literally just woke up and said that to myself, and that's what I did. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because that was gonna take a while. And then I use this foundation. You guys see me use this foundation all the time. I use it for contour because I like the color of it, and it gives me a natural contour without that harsh line. So I just keep using it. Y'all, do y'all see my frontal though? I slayed that. I'm kind of mad that I didn't film it, but I can never film when it comes to hair because it's just too much. The weird angles and all. But right now, I'm just setting my face, setting my concealer, making sure nothing moves. And as you can see, my face is slayed. It's a slay to the gods. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes, but before that, I'm going to go ahead and bake for a while. I felt like baking today. I don't know, just felt like it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and darken up my contour just a teeny bit, not too much, because I want it to look really natural. I just want to look bronzed, okay? Right. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my jawline just so it can look good. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this blue and start building that color onto my eyelids. And all I did was just pick up the color with my brush into the palette a couple of times and then dust off the excess, and then I just gently and slowly blend it out, because when you're using colors like blues, you want to make sure you blend it out really nicely because it's such a bright color that you don't want any harsh lines. It's gonna look crazy, okay? You don't want that. And then I just went ahead and did the other eye. I did not edit this part out because I wanted you guys to see how I'm actually blending this color out, because so much people tell me that they want to wear colors like this on their eyelids, but they just don't know how to. And the key with this is to honestly just blend it out as much as you can. Just blend it out. If you want, you can even get a clean brush after you use this one and blend it out even further, because the more it looks blended, the more natural, like, we know that this is makeup, but the more natural it will look and better, okay, and seamless. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this bluish greenish shade and put that on top of this color, y'all. When I put this color on top of this color, it was 10 times cuter. And after that, I actually went ahead and sprayed a flat brush and then picked up some more of that color and then put it on my eyelid. Y'all saw the clip at the beginning of the video. It was, my eyelids were shining, okay? My eyelids were so beautiful. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush off that excess powder off. You know, my makeup was going on so good in this video. Like, I was so happy. Then I went ahead and put on some mascara, and then I put on my lashes off camera because y'all not gonna see that, you know, like, the struggle is real when it comes to lashes. I went to Glossier some months ago and they gave me these cheek samples. They're blush, and I went ahead and used that color and it was cute. It was a subtle blush. Y'all know how I feel about blush. I kind of like it, kind of don't. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, you know, this highlighter palette, and then I took Summer in that palette and put it on my cheeks so I can shine and slay and blind all my haters, feel me? And then I also took that pink shade, I forgot the name of it, and blended that also with Summer. Y'all, I love this palette so much. It is so good. My money was worth it, okay? And then, you know, you gotta get that nose highlight, because boop. Now I just took any old lip gloss I had in my bag and my makeup stuff and slapped that on my lips. Y'all know how I feel about lipsticks. I don't like them. And then I went ahead and sprayed my face, because that's how you seal everything. And this is my makeup, y'all. I went ahead, fixed my hair off camera, and y'all, I was looking like a whole Barbie, a whole popsicle from the I don't know, I was just looking like a whole tropical queen. Okay, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, you'll see more content like this if you subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.